Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can delete a workspace from Asana, so let's get right into it. Now, as of the current moment of recording this video, there is no way to flat out just delete a workspace in Asana. However, there is something that you can do, which is the closest thing to deleting a workspace, which I'll recommend you do, so let's get over right into the steps. Now, as you can see, if I go in the top right, as you can see, I have two workspaces. The one I'm currently on, and which I'll be removing, is number 2 workspace. And now that I'm in here, we're going to start editing it. Now, as you can see, I'm at home, and if I scroll down, as you can see, it's completely empty. There are no people, there are no projects, or rather there is this test project which you will need to remove. So make sure that there are no people. If there are, just remove them. If the project is empty, go into it or click the 3 buttons right here, or rather you need to go into it by clicking on it. Then you need to delete this project by clicking on the arrow, then clicking delete project, click delete, and now that that's done, as you can see, everything is deleted, and now you'll be able to delete this workspace, or rather leave it. And to leave it, you just go here, then go to settings, and now you need to go into account and scroll all the way down. As you can see, you have deletion or deactivation. As you can see, under deactivation, you have remove me from T2 workspace. Just click remove me from this workspace, confirm by clicking remove. And once you're done with that, you will be out of there, and that workspace will be completely gone. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.